I'll be plotting a quadratic graph. It's a quadratic because it's got an x squared term, x term, number term. But most importantly, it's got the x squared, and that's going to give that U-shaped characteristic. So let's start off. I always start off by plotting the positive numbers. They're easy to work with. So all I've got to do now, replace the x, the value of the x with the 3, and then work out the value of y. Then I'll do the same for 2, then 1, and so on. So now we have got, I'm going to copy that over here, replacing the x with 3. So we've got 2x, so we've got 2x squared. All right, I'm going to replace x with 3 then. That'll be 2 times 3 squared. You got the minus there. 3 times 3, and then you get the plus 5 at the end. So that's 3 squared is 9, 9 times 2 is 18, 3 times 3 is 9, plus 5. That will equal to 18 take away 9 is 9, 9 at 5, 14. So you put the 14 there. And we'll be plotting this one along the corridor, this one up the stairs in our graph. Right, next one. Let's do this one. Replace the x's with 2. Now this bit here. Two squared is 4, 4 times 2 is 8, 6 plus 5, that gives you 7. This one here. One squared is 1, that's 2, that's 3, that's plus 5. 2 take away 3 is minus 1, minus 1 at 5 is 4. Plus x is with zeros. Zero squared is 0, 0 times 2 is 0, that is also 0. Then you got plus 5, that's just 5. Now it gets a little bit tricky now. Got to be extra careful when you've got negative numbers. Replace the x's with negative 1. Right, negative 1 squared means negative 1 times negative 1. Negative 1 times negative 1, well, 2 negatives, when you multiply 2 negatives, it makes a positive. So that will just become 1. That there is 1. 2 times 1 is 2. Right, in here, in this circle here, got 3 times negative 1. 3 times negative 1, well, when negative multiplies with a positive, the outcome is negative. So that will be negative 3. And then you got the 5 over here, plus 5. Don't forget the minus, put the minus there. So let's carry on with this now. So we've got 2 take away. That's 2 take away. 2 negatives here will become a positive. That will change into a positive. That's a 3 and that's a 5. That's a 10. Negative 2 now. Negative 2 squared is 4. 4 times 2 is 8. 3 times negative 2 is negative 6. So you've got now plus 5 over here, and you've got the minus over there. Right. 8 take away. Two negatives make a positive. So that becomes 19. Last one. Right, Right, negative 3 squared is 9. 9 times 2 is 18. 3 times negative 3 is negative 9. And the plus 5. Don't forget the minus over here. Right, that's 18. Add 9 plus 5. That should give you 28, 27, 32. All you've got to do now is plot these. 3 along the corridor, 14 up the stairs, 3 and 14. 2 and 7. 2 along the corridor, 7 up the stairs. 1 and 4. 0 and 5. 0's there, 5. Negative 1 and 10. Negative 1 along the corridor. Negative 1 is here. And then 10 up the stairs. You can see it's taking a U shape already. Negative 2 and 19. Negative 2. Now, I've noticed a lot of people, for some reason, they do negative 2 and negative 19. I've seen many people do that. But look, it's got to form a U shape, so why would you want to plot here? Negative 2 and 19. And negative 3, 32. What you're going to do, freehand, don't use a ruler. Let's join it up. That's your quadratic graph, and it does, if I was to plot 4, if I was to use 4 over here and work out a value, I could easily do that. But really, this is the answer. Plot a graph of the equation. I've just done that.